They're running right now.
What are running right now?
That dripping. They're running on the floor and both them want change.
Very want change, man.
I want to change.
Wow.
Want to change. Well, I bought them right now. So I bought them for us. I create them, everything I hide them.
Yeah.
So make it not look no way.
Come on. Yes, yeah. Use some garlic tea if you look for one.
Yeah, put on some garlic tea if you look for one, you know? Make sure it's up. You understand?
You'd have somebody who could have come install them for you, right? You know?
I really appreciate because when we see rain set up like me, I feel fret.
Yeah, of course you have a fret, cause look at the condition, you know, you can't see anybody that fret, I mean anybody that fret. So you can imagine how the kids them feel or them are worried as well too, with all the window right there where still there, she got nothing at the window right here. So you can see windows, nothing, and she just catch that up for the time being. You know, so as you can see the condition, this is Elizabeth's, you know, with 7 kids, you know, and this is their struggle, and this is what you see she's going through.
Yeah, sick out campus.
Where the vomit? Only for the dengue, because the dengue are good, you know.
Stop.
40. And that is from Mr. and Mrs. Sharon.
Thank you very much. God bless.
From the USA.
I'm so amazed. I don't think I'm raised to say I'm speechless. Thank you all. Thank you.
Alright, so count it. So it's 28.
I don't want to cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry.
25, 27, 28. Oh God.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Daddy in there. Papi, what go on?
They are saying I can put on some garlic tea for my son, you know?
Yeah.
I don't feel so well.
Oh, I'm sick out. The weather.
It's like cool and then something funny, you know?
Oh.
And I take sick at school, so I have to go feed my body. The teacher called me, so I come up and go up at the clinic and give me some medicine and things, but I work out for it, so I have said try some different home remedy, you know?
Yeah.
I would have to end up carrying a doctor tomorrow. So I look forward to that. Yeah, man.
Yes, I use some garlic tea if you look for
Yeah, put on some garlic tea, you know? Make sure it's up. You understand? Yeah, sick old compass school.
We had the vomit.
Teacher them call me.
Only for the dengue, because the dengue are good, you know. You know,
Get weak out,
get weak out. Because them say the dengue they bought, you know.
Yeah, they don't know.
Don't you taste that?
So I put on some garlic tea for him.
Yeah.
So
My
you can
vomit.
make him up, you know?
Because them say a peel you could pick and catch it, you know.
Eh?
A peel you could pick them so I catch it as well, you know.
I need some garlic tea and let's see him revive up, so we're going to carry a doctor tomorrow. Definitely. I'm going to carry him better.
Paracetamol.
Eh? Paracetamol.
Paracetamol. Pill.
One pill.
Yeah.
That's at a pharmacy. What that do? And these are the fever like.
Yeah. And I mean, a paracetamol, you know. I'm going to get some as well to my mother said.
Oh, okay.
Can really look poorly. You have vomit?
You have vomit for a while, man.
Oh, you feel weak?
400,000 children will not get the food assistance that they need to fill their little bellies.
It's alright,
Yeah.
And him that, you know, the man, I want to do it that pass him.
Okay.
But she come in with a flying up here, woman.
See, none of paracetamol on either side. Are the same thing, Esther? No.
Alright, then enough.
Different.
That different from where she at?
Yeah. Yeah, check it out.
I see him teacher work, man.
No, man, them different. Paracetamol and cetamol are two different
I
things.
see him thing for pain and fever.
Yeah.
At least if I give fever medicine.
Because the dengue are going, a lot of kids them say catch it. A peer kids are catching.
Every 4 hours?
So you're talking about SNAP,
Oh, this is how you give
that nutrition assistance to
Panadol.
women, infant, and children.
Let me give it the fever still.
Still up on. Yeah.
The Secretary of Ag, he said.
So the dengue.
Say use only paracetamol, only.
So you have to go for a pharmacy out of the farm then and see if you
I
get
have
it.
boosting or no other something.
Yeah.
You have to go for a pharmacy out and go buy paracetamol then. Keep it me.
Yeah, you have paracetamol.
Like when I give my pain, just bust it in a half.
Yeah. How much?
My ear, no.
My ears. Let have a boss.
Can you hold one then?
No, half.
Still half.
Where you go?
I can sell a shop. You sell a shop?
Alright, go
Yeah.
Sell it now, like for dengue come
Yeah,
here,
dengue
I sell
come
it
on.
now.
Tell me I have to test it.
You have to go to the shop and get that.
Still while the reality is.
Yeah. Yeah, true. Yeah. Yes. I mean, I'll tell some have some, you know. If anything, me have to go try and I can get some tomorrow. Can you get it today? Yeah. Yeah, because like I'm gonna get the window fair tomorrow. I have some. Yeah, because my mother will send some come my there. And I have about a pack with it, you know. 3 of the things come at the pack. I'll drop it off tomorrow when time come get the window. You have the invoice, have you?
Number.
One for you, one for the invoice. So, but if I can't get it tonight, still I'll try and get it tomorrow.
I get it, man, after I give the tea.
Yeah.
After I give the tea, I'm just water room, I say, I get it.
Yeah.
Give me the code, man.
See your code.
Code, Fever from and cold.
Fever and cold. Alright then, no problem. I'll see what you're going, yeah?
Yeah man, see?
Alright then.
Put the soon on, you know?
Yeah man, come check. Come check your data.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you should get something sorted out, yeah?
Yeah man, see?
Alright then.
Yes.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth! I'm here. Evening. You have your water running.
Yeah, man, I can put water now.
You can go water. Alright, so yeah, you need the water now. You can turn it down. Much better. And the little one, especially turn on your tablet a little bit.
Yeah, I like all that.
So we can turn it back on, okay? Elizabeth, why you come like a ceiling and get more soak each time I come here and see it? Yeah, because I realize that. They're running right now.
That dripping. I run on the floor and I run both them want change.
Very want change, man.
I want to change.
Wow.
You don't want to change. Well, I bought them right now. So I bought them for those acrylic. Remember they can hide them.
Yeah.
So make it not look no way.
Wow. Come like I know, I realize where I go on because we never really see how they run them side. The whole place I come apart, man.
Well, I bought them from the house and pull down. I see this when rain fall, this is big bag. Well, I water run down. Like it come like you can build right this like a shower.
Right here, so.
Well, I also
Can you imagine how you just feel because I know say boy, you just hope you can get something better, right? You know?
I can't reach out to my sons as them and see the situation and just
Help out. Yeah, because you know there's a people that concerned. There are people who are concerned, you know, and them say, you know, and they ask to check out about the zinc as well too, or they get some information and we say they want 15 sheet of zinc, and we do the calculation. Let me check it back again because someone they contact me and ask me how much zinc you go want. You know, so let me check it back again. So hold on, I'm gonna get the price. Yeah, so it was 15 sheet of 18 foot zinc. Yeah, and $7,970 for one. So when you times that now, it's about over 100 and something thousand that they come to. So we explain to two persons to reach out and them sorry, them going to see what them can do, you know, when them kind of see what them can get done. So hopefully we can get that, you know, and if you'd have somebody who could have come install them for you, right? You know.
I really appreciate because when Mr. Rain set up like me, I feel afraid.
Yeah, of course you have to fret because look at the condition, you know, you can see anybody that fret, I mean anybody that fret. So you can imagine how the kids them feel or them are worried as well too with all the window right there where still there she got nothing at the window right here. So you can see windows, nothing. And she just catch that up for the time being. You know, so as you can see the condition, this is Elizabeth, you know, with 7 kids, you know, and this is their struggle, and this is what you see she's going through right here, you know, and you can see her bathroom literally where you can see
Them are pull on to see all the big part, that's the big hole with the rest.
yeah, you have the big hole where you can literally see outside, inside, you know, so there's nothing safe right now, you know. And you see leaking as well too, so You know, we appreciate if anyone can reach out and we could try and give her some form of support. Any support we can get, you know, if anyone want to help, you know, because I say we can get one zinc, we can buy a zinc as well too, someone can help out and we all come together so she can get some zincs. So she literally gonna need 15 sheet of 18-foot zinc, you know. It's $7,970 for one. You know, so many times that now 15 times
It's rough because you know you say one hand can't clap.
Yeah.
One hand there so
yeah, I understand, you know.
struggle is real.
Yeah, so 7, 9. Yeah, so that. Okay, make sure I laugh now. Yeah, you know, I make sure I laugh. Serious times now. So, well, as me I say, hopefully we can get some support to us. So, for the windows, this is the invoice. So, we'll get them check out. So, we can make the viewers them see what's going on for the windows. And that's how much window that are. What oh, that one.
One on a back, one on a bathroom.
Okay, so this window, the one in the bathroom there, and you know you have that one there without curtain, and the next one in the room there. So. Oh, sorry. And the next one there. Alright then, so that is that same baking roof. Now we're man good. So as you can see, so this is the invoice for the windows them. As you can see,
37,000.
which one? Oh, don't you say me there?
$50.
So it's $37,050 right there. So you know, say it's $32,217 plus tax. 4,000. Hey, tax wicked at Jamaica, man. Almost $5,000 tax. Our government, we want to pay back Usain Bolt in money. You know. So with that said and done, we got some donation, right? So with the donation now, you know, I say we will pay for the window. Them alright, man.
You said them alright.
Alright, so you know, I saw you have to be busy with kids, you know. Alright, so we will leave. So 37,000. So with the donation, we are getting, you know, can buy the window. You know, and anything we left over, probably the man gonna want a labor cost. See him, we can help out. So, you know, so we don't know if to show the viewers them and make them know, say, yo, you're doing the right thing. Yeah. You know, so I'm gonna get the window for you tomorrow. Yeah. Because your sister drive, if anything, so we can pack it up in our car. Yeah. Come out here. So we have some donation. Stand up right there, sir. Stand up right there, sir, for me. So if you can hold this one, I'll have you. Alright, so we have some donation here. So first we have so this is alright, this one is for your pocket money. Right, so the person must give you this for your pocket money to help out with their kids. And this is from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw from the USA. So
Hi Mr. and Mrs. Shaw, thank you very much. God bless you. And I hope you continue to just donate because it will appreciate it and you will spend on the kids.
Alright, so this is $14,000 for your pocket money from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw. So check it.
5, 10, stop. 5, 10, 12, 40.
And that is from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Thank you very much. God bless.
From the USA. Alright then, so we have another donation here. So this is towards the window as well from King and Queen from the UK, and this is $20,000 here from King and Queen from the USA. So come
Hi King and Queen, I want to thank you very much for your donation. I hope God continue to bless you guys, for you to continue to bless and support, because I really, as I can see, I really need the help. So your support is well appreciated. Thank you. 5, 10, 15, 20.
You ever call Laughy? I forgot that smile, I forgot to laugh, yeah. But I'm glad, you know, you're getting some happy smile. So now, we have a donation towards the window.
Leave the pit in them now, focus.
Alright. No, okay, moving on, more problem, yeah? Alright. Let's stay around that side then. So we have 19,000 right here. This is towards the window from Queen from the USA. So her name is Queen from the USA.
So Miss Queen, thank you very much. Yeah, say everything well thankful. I really appreciate it's coming from my heart. Thank you very much. Continue to support, and I pray that God continue to bless you for you to support me. Thank you very much. We'll be well spent on the house. Thank you very much.
Yes, the count it says 19.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
And that is from Queen from the USA. Alright, so we'll give thanks to Queen from the USA. And we also have another donation as well. And this one, they want to stay anonymous. So same thing towards the window from New Jersey. And this is 28,000 from Anonymous.
The person who want your name to be known.
No name. So.
Alright, Mr. No Name, I'm Mr. Anonymous. Thank you very much. God bless you. It's well appreciated. And I'm so amazed. I don't even have words to say. I'm speechless. Thank you all. Thank you.
Alright, so count it. So it's 28.
I don't want to cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
10, 15,
Don't cry. Don't cry.
25, 27, 28. Oh God. Thank you very much. Everybody. Stop it. It's well appreciated. It's coming from my heart. Because I'm going through a lot. It's hard to explain. I'm so glad for this TV show that can go around and help and just get the support from everyone around and just get the support. And
For me, your sister cried too. Oh, your sister cried for you. Tears of joy, man, you know. There's people out there where you know where have the same love, seeing me with them and life is share, seeing me. Your sister a hug now, no, you make your sister cry. Give her a hug, man. Give your sister a hug. Give her a hug, man.
Thanks for help.
So you're going to donation as well, too. And we have Auntie Brown from the USA as well towards your window. You know, this is 13,000 from Auntie Brown.
Hi, Auntie Brown. Thank you very much. God bless you to continue to support and to give the help, because the help is well needed, as you can see. So it's no joking, it's real serious, and the condition is well needed to be helped. So thank you very much. God bless.
Counted.
5, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, and that is from Auntie Brown from the USA.
Thank you, Auntie Brown, and thank you all. God bless.
Alright then, so I want to thank we call them extended family, you know, because we want to call them donors, because we used to say that, so them are far family, you know, so they extend to our next part, so we call them, they're part of family, you know, because they might look out and reach out for the needy, so we call them our extended family, you know, so whenever you get this, you can say thank our extended family.
Extended family. Continue to support, because as you see, the boards, I want to change. And because when the rain falls through the board and tear down, the water coming from me and run from the floor and tell wet off of this. I stay up on the bed. And when the rain finish, sometimes it was a storm. I used to stamp on you, it's like, I feel afraid. So I said, Jesus, I'm going to get help from the can. But no matter what I may job and sweep out.
Yeah, I understand because I can see.
It's hard. So when I get the help and the support, you have to just give God thanks because it could have been what much from the side. God should just touch you all for me this could have been happening. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I was so thankful our excellent family, you know, they're so wonderful people them because them done so much, help so many people since this program started, you know, and we give thanks that we can get for you. You know, so at least now we can make a move and get the windows there so you can feel more comfortable. You know, and then hopefully now the extended family can come together now, we can get the zincs them sort out for you because as I said the total probably about 119,000. Let's say 120, right? To get the 15 sheet or 18 foot zinc, you know. So also, you know, with the zinc you got probably need board as well too. Yeah, so zinc is a start, you know, so it's good for a start, and if we can get the zinc them and then we can get the two before them and the board them. The lot, well basically the lot them we will need, you know. This is the secret that you can see actually what go on. So we give thanks, I will thank you so much. Elizabeth, you know, it's nothing but tears of joy when you see her cry.
I'm so thankful, so thankful.
You know, so it's the unexpected blessings.
Pure joy coming from my heart. I don't even know what to say. I'm so speechless. Pure joy. Just happiness.
Yeah.
This is what you guys do to us when you support. You put smile on people's face and put smile on children's faces when they can sleep comfortable when you guys support and help. So thank you very much.
Yeah. Oh, this is what try wallet. What I try one.
All I do is
What I do is right now too. So basically you patch it up. Patch up. You just black it out for the time being.
You can't see what?
I'm not going to pull it west still. You can't see patch it up.
You want to put one piece of board this up and just hold it up.
But literally in the future, like, you know, use that door there, probably have to just... Yeah. So just give thanks, we give thanks. And as you can see, the struggle is real, you know. Elizabeth with 7 kids, you know. And what touches me more a while ago is when I just notice this really, you know. And that's outside you're looking at. And you can see the house is literally coming apart. You know, it's literally coming apart. You know, and any help we can get, you know, any support that we can help, give a helping hand, you know, we highly appreciate it. And we thank him so much for the effort for reaching out for Elizabeth. Blessed love, I will thank you so much. Dream team, one team. And you sink a leak too.
Everything gone bad. I set that bucket down and just forget the dripping water. This a broke way.
Because I cast this as well, right? Cast.
This one dash way.
Well, no, I'm saying just prayer. So we can continue to get some support for you. Where you can help out and that's the way you can do little by little. You know, you just go and take a baby steps. And you know, just put it to use. Because I know we're obvious. I like the viewers, them, you know, extend the family so them can see where the money is going.
Yes.
You know, you never take the money and go sky off it and do not. You see me? So, as I say, Mr. and Mrs. Shaw sent, which is 14,000 for you too. That is your personal pocket money, you know, and the rest you can do so. So it will be what, 37,000, right?
Yeah.
So you know, $37,050 to get the windows them for you. So we can get that for you tomorrow, you know, and then we can have that chop off and let's get somebody to put them in, right?
Yeah.
Can you must have people up here we can do it.
To put them in. Raquel just remind me. There are one man named Tan. And wear many hats. You can fix homes and plumbing, wiring, everything.
Alright, then so for me have that then, you know, and I'm going to need them labor cars and everything. So,
labor cars.
Yeah, so you know, for them, see me just give me labor cars, you know, so you know, so to get that out of the way.
Yeah.
We need the house for wire because the government have a chop off the light.
Yeah, and the house.
Eh?
So for now,
She no wire out.
Come in a wire.
And everybody
and
you get cut
when the
off.
government
Oh.
cut off everybody, I'm gonna be left in the
Oh,
dark.
so you have to go to JPS now
She have to go get her house wire.
and get it passed. Okay.
But the house one fix house for them.
Yes.
So them have to change up and fix up and you know can just wire up and get that over
But when
with.
you want to fix first, but when it's dark, you alone are going to do that.
Alright then, so Elizabeth, just continue the right thing. Mosquito bite you because I'm doing enough.
If anybody out there,
Continue the right thing.
It's anybody who know anybody or know someone who know that one day who know anybody who can give some wire.
Wire?
The wire for the cars and some of the stuff them if you wire up the house.
Oh, so literally you have to buy the wire.
Yeah, you have to buy the wire.
But you know sometimes people might
$25 a month.
for the roll.
No, for pass it.
Oh,
That have to for pass
For pass
You
it.
have to buy the wire. man.
buy the wire.
Fix it.
So you have to go find out how much wire you go want.
Find out
everything.
what feel like we out of
There is
budget.
one plug and then circulate the whole.
You have to get the electrician to come here looking so you have an idea and you have an estimate so we can ask for the support. And then you have to go to JPS now to make them to pass it for you. Because they can't take the darkness with you and the kids them. You know, so. Alright Elizabeth, you know. We think we can actually reach out and can get some help for you and hopefully the blessings can continue. Yeah?
And I hope God continue to bless you for what you're doing because you're doing a good job. Thank
Yeah
you.
man. Even yes, as I said, she'll get a window for you, so but put in the window is another thing because
Let's talk about my piece of job.
this need to change same way. You know? Give me the paper. Put me the paper. This need to change same way. Get the window go in. I want drywall is total. I want itself. How size is this?
No one sheet, just one sheet. And it just cut out the window.
I feel metal.
Like a plywood.
Yeah. Oh, so basically, you know, you ever want a drywall too.
And the window can go good.
Yeah. You could definitely gonna need a drywall as well too. Because if you put in window, you're gonna need a. You could buy a little so you can buy a sheet of drywall. Just find out and see. So definitely gonna.
Without the drywall.
So you have the window.
If you don't want to put in the drywall, you put a plywood. 4,000 or 5 grand to one plywood.
But better you get the drywall because the drywall already dead already. So then you can cut it out back same way and fit it in. So you're gonna need a drywall. Because in essence you put in the window.
What do you think of drywall is a board? A board.
A board?
This a board. This them put on it. Yeah, board. They put the thing upon it for through this to that tile. That's why it look like a drywall.
Oh.
A board this.
I apply this. I would water I'll paint it and paint it. That's it.
Okay.
That's right.
5 grand for a sheet of plug.
Oh, that's what I think. May I see this? Play.
Apply, man. And this there, so.
I paint for all the
So you're gonna give back a ply then?
5 grand for one sheet.
For the ply?
If you play about it,
Oh, that come on top of your vehicle.
Shabba.
Yeah, ball for. So I'm a fire.
You know that every rocket. I'm a drywall.
And I want ply. You worry?
The more heavy. The drywall, the more heavy.
It's nice. Alright, so you're gonna need a ply. So we're gonna put in an order for a ply, you know? Alright then, so take care, you Lizzie.
when we that tell her, you know, but like what does quick thing for putting it down? Does she buy 50 black and black dollars? To me, when me I think.
Oh,
What do you think?
well the black it'll be a long lasting thing.
You start to fix it.
Yeah.
To me, you can buy 50 black.
Need steel, cement, labor and money.
Only time now cost no money. We just write us a yard alone first. The one way.
Okay, for the
Yeah,
start.
the first for the start.
So how much black did I do for you? So them say.
Yes, I can just buy. Remember, you do right. 30 or 25. Piece that just buy 50, more than 50 black. No, go 6,000.
Alright, so it's what about this then? And you just go and start buy your look for material then. Right? That makes sense.
That makes sense, because you have to put the board, the rest of the board them are rotten, and it will go on you to open any time until then.
Yeah. So you can start buy some blocks and put them and buy blocks. Yeah? Pack them up. So somebody can come go and dig the foundation and do the thing. Yeah, can I call you see the foundation and
Just some steel and continue.
continue. So just buy the blocks them man and store them up. Yeah?
Mama down there. Oh, I can show you Papi.
Oh yeah. Oh, from the outside. Yeah, that's where that show me inside. Yeah. That's why I say you that cause you don't need that door there anymore.
Look at yourself. Show yourself. What I bought the material. Come here.
That's why the best thing is is to go and get some blocks.
Last time you want block it because it's when the rain falls, the water rain down and it will wet up any board up. Get sponsored by
Some blocks. Yeah, so the best thing
right there. I just said I've been catch. I just said I need to the water running.
Yeah, so yeah, it makes sense. You just buy the block them and just go and store them up. You can buy a little. One side first.
Each time and then just do little. Not for weeks.
Alright then, just make the start. Like where you get some funds, just buy where you can buy. So we're gonna buy the window for you tomorrow, so you can just go purchase some blocks. Right? So we can see the viewers them say well you start buy some things so them can reach out and help. Yeah?
Yes.
Alright then.
Okay. Are you laughing right here?
Oh, look one. Are the dengue, no?
Oh, in my favor, Mama? Yeah. Really?
I'm going to buy paracetamol.
Are the dengue, no? Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.